Hello and welcome back to Mr. Powers Teaches Stats. There is one thing I would like to go over with you guys, and that is how can we use GeoGebra to find percentiles. So what I'd like you to do is, again, go to our geogebra.org/classic pound spreadsheet. Okay, now I got my list pasted in, and we have a percentile kind of command. And so I'm going to show you two ways to do it. And there's a percentile command in a lot of different spreadsheets. But since I'm trying to focus on GeoGebra, I'm going to show you one way to do it. Again, we can highlight all of these. And we can click on this button right here. And that'll make a list. And then what happens is, we'll go, okay. It creates this object, L1, right here in our algebra view that's showing us this list. And it's a list that contains all the values in the first 50 cells here. Now what I can do is type in percentile. In the next piece, hit percentile, and then I'm going to hit enter, and it's like, oh, it's going to tell me, put a list of numbers, then the percent. So the list of numbers is always going to be L1. Easy enough, because that's what this is right here. Made it L1. And then I'm going to hit tab to go to the next part, or you just click here. And then what percentile do I want? So let's say I want the 65th percentile. I would go 0.65. Hit enter. And there it is. There's my 65th percentile, be 1.24. Let's say I wanted a different percentile. I just type in percentile in the next line. Hit enter, enter. Same list. I'll do L1, tab, and then let's say I want the 60th percentile. I go 0.60. Hit enter. I got my 60th percentile. So that's how you can use GeoGebra to find percentiles very easily, and it's very similar to spreadsheets. Right now, you can stop right here. You're good to go. In most spreadsheets, though, here's what you'll do. It might be percentile, might be something else, but most of the time you can go equals. You click on a cell, hit equals, type in percentile, and as you type it in, it might have a pop-up box like GeoGebra did on the left side. And oh, there's the command I want. You click on it, type in what you want it to do. So GeoGebra is not going to be so nice in its spreadsheet view. I'm just going to have to kind of go like this. I know I'm going to, let's say I want the 60th percentile again. I'll go 0.6, and I hit comma first. So I have my comma 0.6. I need to put my list in there. There. So where's my list? Well, it's my values right here. And so in a lot of spreadsheets, you can click and drag, and it'll put the list of values in. But I can't click and drag all the way down in GeoGebra. So you know what? I'll just, hold on. There we go. And sometimes it pops up this way. I'll type in A1 to A50, and then I'll hit OK. And it'll give me that value right in here once again, just as it did on the left here for B. Oops, I'm blocking it. There. So just as it did right here, it'll put it right here. And if I want to see what it typed in there, I just double click it. It'll show it to me that way. And sometimes it'll show it to me another way. But anyway, there it is. There it is. And so if I wanted to, here, I'll show you again. Let's go do the 65. I can go equals capital P, percentile. My list is from A1 to, so I'll put colon, A50, comma, and I want the 65th percentile, so 0.65. There it is. There's my 65th percentile. So that's another way you can do it. Lots of ways to do it, you guys. Pick one, easy. Until next time, enjoy doing math.